Beneath the golden sun of the African savanna, lions prowl with silent intensity. Elephants thunder across open plains, kicking up dust, while zebras race, stripes blurring in a dance of survival. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, emerald canopies shimmer as parrots flash their colors through shafts of light. Jaguars glide unseen, and monkeys leap between branches, their calls echoing above the river's song. Travel north, where the Arctic tundra stretches beneath a glowing sky. Polar bears carve a path across endless white, while Arctic foxes dart through snowdrifts, shadows against the ice. Beneath the waves, the ocean's heart beats in darkness. Whales sing haunting songs, sharks glide in silence, and jellyfish shimmer like living lanterns, pulsing with light. Every ecosystem, raw and untamed, shaped by the wild dance of predator and prey, storm and sun, day and night. This is the power and beauty of our planet, endless, epic, and alive.